and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, there is a ton of coupons coming out, you guys. It is crazy. My newspapers, they went up. They're now $5 for newspapers. Like, it is crazy. But yeah, so newspapers went up, but I still got some good deals. I am gonna definitely do a second haul for you guys because I'm gonna try to find some more deals. There was some stuff that I wanted to do, but I did not have the coupons for it. But you know what? Hey, that is okay. So the one deal that you guys definitely want to do that is a little bit of a money maker is the Simple Wipes deal, okay? So these are, and I forgot to scan these on my Fetch Rewards. I think you get points on Fetch Rewards if you guys use that also. But these are, I have to look, I don't ever go in order. These are originally $6.29. They're on sale for 25% off, making them $4.71. You guys want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon. Now my coupon didn't work, but she entered it in because, you know, she and I both read it. It worked. It should have been that. So you guys, after that $3 off coupon, you got off of 2, you guys would pay $6.42 for these, okay? But then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate and a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys can also submit a rebate either on Saving Star or Checkout 51. They're kind of sister companies, so it's either one or the other. If you guys are awesome, you can do both. That's great. But my Checkout 51, I like Checkout 51 a little bit better because it resets every week. With Saving Star, you can only use it once and it's done. So I got a $1 rebate times 2 with Checkout 51. Plus, you guys will get 2,000 points when you guys buy 2 of them, making these an 8-cent moneymaker. So you guys get these absolutely for free. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I like how my camera's about to die, like right when I'm filming this. So hopefully I can film the rest of it before it dies, and then I can change my battery. So I'm just gonna put my stuff in my bags as I'm going with you guys, because then when I get home, I can put these away right away. And my basement, you guys, is coming along pretty good. So I also did now you guys should not pay for toothpaste. With the toothpaste deals that they got this week, you guys should not pay $1 for toothpaste. But I kind of think the Oral-B and the mouthwash is worth $1. I mean, that's anything you can get cheaper, you definitely want to go ahead and do that. But we're going to do this deal. So this is $3.99. You guys want to use the $1 off coupons that we got in last week's P&G. So there's a $1 off coupon for the Oral-B and there's a $1 off coupon for the mouthwash. You guys would end up doing that. You would pay $5.98. But then you guys will get a $4 register reward. Now you guys, no I didn't. I was going to say I did use my register reward that I got last week, but I didn't use that. So cut that out. But you guys will get a $4 register reward, making these $1.99. Pretty much 99 cents a piece. And that's why I usually say $1 is a good deal. I mean, especially for a big jug like this is worth $1. I mean, toothbrushes, you might sometimes can get stuff cheaper, but you know, I think $1 is a pretty good deal. And then I also did the same deal with Colgate. Colgate again was $3.99. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon for this and a $1 off coupon for that. You guys would also, you know, pay $5.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a, oh, I gotta find it. I got like a couple different register rewards. You guys would get a $4 register reward, making these again $1.99. So pretty much 99 cents a piece, which is an okay deal if you guys want to do that. There was a couple things was gonna do like the Scott paper towels. Those are $5. I think they're buy one get one 50% off. I can't remember, or there's $1.25, but those come out to be like $3 if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I have a lifetime supply of paper products, so I'm gonna pass on that. But I didn't cut the coupon out, but I might share with you guys that coupon deal when I go to the store again next time. But I did that. Now, I didn't get any Garnier coupons. There's a 3 off of 2. I did not get those. I will get those in my inserts that I get. But this is still an okay deal for those who don't get these coupons. So there is a $1 off coupon that is on the Walgreens app, so you guys can use that $1 off coupon. Plus there is a $1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So anything that says $1 or whatever off with card, that means it's the Walgreens booklet. So those you can combine, but you guys cannot combined, you know, manufactured coupons and digital manufactured coupons. I get a lot of people asking that. But this was, what was this? $2.99. I used a $1 off digital coupon, plus I used a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making this just 99 cents, which is an okay deal. With that 3 off of 2 coupon, it comes out a whole lot cheaper, like 50 cents cheaper, but still want to share with you guys because, you know, not everybody gets that deal. I have been really liking this curl stuff. I used to use the Herbal Essence like crazy, but I started going back to this, and I feel like my hair is in less knots with this stuff. So anytime I can get a good deal on this, I'm going to definitely go ahead and do that. And then, you guys, like, that's how sad my haul is today. Like, it's just that bad. But I'm gonna probably get a lot more stuff because my list has I have a list, but I just didn't get it. So I ended up getting the Revlon eyeshadow. Now, there's sales everywhere, but there was only like one thing that actually had the register reward on it, and I'd rather do that just in case something doesn't print off. But these were $6.99 on sale. Now, these are usually $10 a piece, so that's what the tag said, but they come out to be $6.99 on sale. If you guys buy 2 of them, you get a $5 register reward. So you guys want to go ahead and buy 2 of them. You also want to use the buy one get one free coupon. So it'll take off $6.99, I think is what it will. So then you guys would end up paying $6.99 for both of these, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making these $1.99 or just 99 cents a piece, which is a pretty good, okay deal. I mean, I really like the colors. I mean, these are really vibrant colors if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So I ended up doing that. You know, just to share with you guys on that. And that is pretty much my haul. I was going to get some Robitussin. I didn't get those coupons. I was going to do the Downy deal, but when I scanned the item on the app, it said coupons, and then it, like, you know, brings you down and no coupons popped up. So I'm just like, okay, I'm not doing that deal. And then I even typed in Downy and nothing popped up. So I'm just like, whatever, not worth it. You know, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, because these deals repeat themselves all the time. So my total came to $15.04 for everything. $15.04 was a pretty good deal. I just need to drink water. Alright, I'm drinking Code Red, sorry. But I ended up getting 12,000 points. Now, I did get 2,000 points for the Simple. I hit Beauty, so I got 5,000 points for that. And then I was trying to figure out, like, what else I had. Well, I had it where if you spend 25, you get 5,000 points that I had clipped to my card. So I ended up getting 12,000 points just for that transaction. I also ended up getting $13 worth of register rewards. So I got a 5, a 4, and a 4. And then I also got one of these Catalinas that I'm going to use on Tuesday. For spend 20, you get 5,000 points. Now, a lot of you guys ask me, can you use, if you find one of these on the ground, you guys can use this. You guys can use these for any account. So if you guys have like multiple accounts, I only have one, but if you guys have multiple accounts, you can mix and match this stuff. These are not account, you know, you can use them for whatever. So I ended up getting the $13 worth of register rewards. I will be getting $2.50 back with Ibotta, and I did get my money. It says it right here, $2.50. If you guys can't see it, my camera won't focus, but $2.50 at Walgreens, and then I will be getting $2 back from checkout 51. So my grand total, you guys, came out to be a $14.46 money maker. I got everything for free, which I absolutely love. I'm waiting to see when Walgreens will hit 70% off. Everything in the store was still, like, they still had a ton of stuff. A lot of the toys are 50% off. So that means when that stuff hits 90, a lot of those toys will be probably going down. I know last year they took a couple months, but this time they might be going down. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I will let you guys know when they do I'll make a video when I do know when that stuff's going to hit. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later this week for a second haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.